One of the nice new features that we actually just added in here is this P&L tab here. So right now I actually have two accounts on here right now. We got a pink account, so you see a bunch of pink triangles here, purple circle too, all along this left side. So got two different accounts going. But if you click on this P&L tab here at the top, this is actually giving us just a quick snapshot based on beta weighting to SPY. Right now we have all of our positions selected. So you saw I clicked on this P&L button at the top, and then you see all these check boxes popped up on our left side. So essentially this is saying, hey, you want to view this graph for all of your positions that you currently have open, or at least selected here on the left. And then that middle graph here is showing us, oh, hey, okay, so our x-axis here is SPY's price. The y-axis here is our profit or loss open, or where our net profit or loss on all of our open trades are. And we can see, yeah, we're a little bit skewed bearish here, where, you know, we probably want SPY to trade down a little bit, and we're net loss on this other account here, so it's not looking too nice. But as you are scrolling your mouse back and forth, you can kind of see, based on certain market events, you know, we even see the bell curve here, where we can see the 1 standard deviation move for SPY, the 2 standard deviation moves for SPY as well. Those blue dotted lines on the left and right. You can see, okay, yeah, if SPY were to, you know, make a 1 standard deviation move up, I would, you know, the profit or P&L open on all of my positions, net positions in my account, it's probably going to be around negative $7,500. So not looking too hot. It hurts. It hurts. But so that is a quick snapshot there on your portfolio. And then 2.2, in the top left here, if you wanted to just view this for a set of positions, like maybe we want to just see for Google and IBM and Meta, we checked these 3 boxes here. Yeah, all 3 of these trades are going well, so it's red all around. But you know, you can essentially filter this and view this chart based on a specific set of symbols.